Because you didn't want to be tracked. You told us that.
Yeah, but I had a second phone, too.
But you said also that you only communicated with Monica on one phone. Through
Yes.
the 1093 number. Remember you mentioned that
I
today,
did.
and you mentioned that last week?
I did.
So which was it? You left your phone home because you didn't want to be tracked, or you took the phone with you so that you could be in communication with Monica?
Well, I have two phones.
Okay. Again, which one?
Well, I don't know. Well, the one if I'm talking to Monica, I'm using the 1093 number. So
Okay.
I'm thinking if I take the phone, I can't remember if I left it. I think I left it at home. I'm not sure. I can't remember.
So last week when you told the jury that you left your phone home so that you couldn't be tracked, was that the truth, a guess, or a lie?
I'm pretty sure I left it at home.
Pretty sure.
You're asking me stuff from 10 years ago. I don't
No,
know.
you brought it up on your direct, so I'm just asking you about it.
I'm letting you know the truth.
So when you told the jury in your official statement last week that you left your phone home, again, were you telling them the truth?
I think I was.
Or did you
I
once
think I was.
again lie to them?
I think I was. If it was a,
Lied?
yeah, I
Lied?
think it was the truth.
Pretty sure it was the truth.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I don't remember. It's been a long time.
But you testified to that.
I know. I'm telling you. I'm going off my knowledge of what I remember, and which is hazy at best because it's so long ago. And you're asking for details for piles of paperwork, and I'm wanting me to pull out of my head. I can't do it.
Well, but you brought it up last week, so it came
I'm
out.
trying to answer the best I can, so I'm giving it to you.
Okay. So you believe you left your phone home, so
Yeah.
you couldn't be tracked.
It would seem like that's what I would do.
Okay. So you wouldn't have been in communication with Monica when you went to the strip mall.
I don't think so.
Okay. And how long did it take you to get to the strip mall from your apartment with Austin?
I don't know. It wasn't long, was it? It's not a long trip. It's fairly close. I don't know. It's close. Under 15 minutes, under 10 minutes, under 5 minutes, under 10 minutes maybe. Yeah. I'm guessing. It's
You're
a
guessing
guess.
again.
I'm guessing. That's all a guess.
Okay.
I don't have a stopwatch when I'm running this thing.
Okay. You're running what?
When I'm running a route, I'm not doing a stopwatch so I can answer your question in the future. This
see.
is not coming.
I see. So in under 10 minutes, you get to the strip mall.
It's an estimate, I'm telling you.
And when you go to the strip mall, you told us that you described the black Porsche. Did you also show a photograph of Fabio to Chris Austin so he would know who to hit?
I don't remember. I don't know. I think I did. I might have. I would have to. I just don't remember if I did or not.
Last week, you remembered that you said you showed him a photo. Today, you don't remember.
I just don't remember right now. I really don't.
So how would Chris Austin know who to attack?
I had to show him a picture. I had to then.
Where would the picture have been?
Probably on my phone.
The phone you left at home.
The phone that I left before I left home. Here, this is what he looks like.
So you
I'm
showed
guessing.
it to him before you left. Showed him the picture before you left.
Yeah, I'm sure of it. Well, I'm not sure
You're
of
sure
it.
of it?
Yeah. It only makes sense that way. But he knew what he looked like.
How did he know?
I had to have shown him somehow.
So you showed him a picture before you left, and then you told him to look for a black Porsche, right?
Yeah.
How long did you sit waiting, given that you had GPS, so you already knew exactly when Fabio would show up? How long did you sit waiting at that strip mall for Fabio Sementilli?
I don't know, a few minutes.
A few minutes.
Yeah, probably a few minutes.
Because the GPS is very precise, right?
You have to cycle it. It's got to cycle every minute. It's like a cycle time. You have to cycle it.
Okay, but you had left your phone home at the apartment. We've established that.
The communication phone that I used with Monica, I'm thinking I left it at home. I'm pretty sure I left it at home.
So how is it when you're saying you have to cycle it?
'Cause I'm using the other phone.
What
a
other
burner
phone?
A burner phone I had.
I see. So you were monitoring Fabio's GPS on his Porsche from your burner phone now.
Well, all that activity is on the burner phone.
Okay. And so you're monitoring on the burner phone Fabio as he's going to the location, because you were only there for a few minutes, right?
Yes.
And so what do when you get to the location where you believe Fabio is headed based on your GPS? Bless you.
I go someplace where I think where there's no cameras, and I let Chris out and tell him this is where it is, and he can see it. Can you see it?
And when you
The strip mall area.
You went to a location where there were no cameras. Where would that be?
I thought there were no cameras.
Where would that be?
I would have to look at the area to tell you. I don't want to be guessing too much anymore with you, because yeah. But it was close. It was close. It was
Well,
all
it says in where?
within sight. I can see it.
You can see what?
The strip mall, the parking lot.
Okay. So somewhere within sight, you let Chris Austin out.
Yes.
Okay. And as you said, you've already described the Porsche, right? You've shown him a photo of Fabio. And what do you tell him to do?
It goes without saying. I don't have to say anything.
So he just knew all on his own what to do when he got there.
Yeah.
Okay. When did you have a conversation with him about what he was supposed to do when the two of you got to the strip mall? Again, when did you have that conversation so the two of you would be on the same page?
When he got there to L.A., we had started this discussion about how I was going to do this. And I just said I needed to wait for an opportunity to arise.
And what was the discussion the two of you had about the opportunity?
I had to wait for the opportunity, and I had to listen to find information. I didn't tell him that. I knew that. I told him, I'm waiting for information to come in, and that's it.
Waiting for information to come in.
Yeah. So to him, it sounded
From Monica?
from whoever. I didn't tell him where.
Okay.
I said for information to come in.
And so once information came in, then what did you tell him he was supposed to do?
Well, I told him if he's going to strike, you got to, I told him how to do it.
What do you mean?
How
to do it?
How to commit a murder with a knife.
Okay.
And to make it quick.
Depend on him. Tell me what you told him.
You have to cut for the neck.
Go for the neck.
You have to make it quick.
Okay. So you told Austin to go for the neck. Is that right?
That's what I told him. Make it quick. Try to make it as painless as possible. And we get out of there.
And did you give him anything?
Yeah, he had the knife I gave him.
What knife did you give him?
It was the smaller one.
What smaller knife?
The one that was used later.
Which one?
The one that was used for the murder.
Which one? Describe it.
It was 8 inches long. It was a small hunting knife.
Okay. You gave him a small hunting knife.
Yes.
Is this the same knife that you brought with you when you and Austin went to Las Vegas in July of 2016 to stay at Al Birdsong's and meet up with Monica?
No.
It's a different knife.
Yeah.
Where did you get this knife?
This one was like Target or something. I think it was Target or Walmart.
Target or Walmart?
Yeah, I can't remember which one.
Where was the second knife?
That was the one that was used for the strip mall and the actual murder. The other knife was gone. I got rid of it because it was gaudy. It was just for show.
You got rid of the July knife
Yes.
before Austin came to Los Angeles in January.
Yes.
Okay. So you gave him a second knife